MeghalayaPost.news. Deputy Commissioner Kariboy District mentakas ngi ulum jingïalang bat ki sahab kitna sarkar boper Kariboy ban bishar bania batwat ikilan jingïada ki bapaka ban penduna ya jingshlei kabajujia manusnem hakathan Jorabat-Khanapara. Hagani jingïalang laidon lang ki officer naka National Highways Authority of India NHAI katanat PWD katanat Pulin Water Resources District Disaster Management Authority Soil and Water Conservation katanat Forest bat kiwe rungkat ki he officer naka Northeastern Space Application Center habakranch kilal pathay kubor hadian ke jingïalang nakaliang Dr. Abhishek Saini Deputy Commissioner Kariboy District ulong bahagani kasngi lahkuran sanibha halor kisien jam ki bayade ban shimno mardor namar ke jingye jong ki pajba ki besakta haka jingslei hakin ki kindiat sengi balalen ulong bawa labun ki kam bat kilat jingïada ladep bande bat sedang hakisnam balalen henry don kam bat penstat ya kejing pentri kam ya kitegi project kenang bon la ban penduna ya kejing e kaba ki pajba ki jumat man kapor bajur slam napdeng kirai balashim hakani jingïalang ki kantup ya kejing penhe ekinala ban penku ekinala bat bantei ki check dam haki jaka badon kam bat balakmi benya ban penne jumut kam tam haki jaka bajur ke jingshlei Deputy Commissioner la pentip ru baladep ban tha ya baro kitnat badai pen ban pentrai klo ye kikam lingba ka jingi trailang hapdeng kitna sarkar baper hakaju kapor la karpal ikipaj ba bakin ai ka jingi trailang bakim dei ban barat jabo hakinala namarala bun sien baki jabo kika ek lentia jongka batsakun batkani kawan ra ya ka jingshlei tang sujur uslam Deputy Commissioner la ongru banakaliang ka bor district kang nur banwa ikila jingada kibane banlanya ka jingshlei ban penurlong ya kani don kamru ka jingi trailang jongki pajba ban penduna ya ka jingchashlei hagathan Jorabat-Khanapara.
So today we had a coordination meeting to look for various measures and solutions to solve the flooding problem in the Jorabat-Khanapara area. We had a meeting with the various line departments including from NHAI, from PWD, Water Resources, Police Department, District Disaster Management Office and Soil and Water Conservation, Forest also. And we discussed at length the various immediate measures as well as the long-term measures that are required to be taken. Various measures have already been taken in the past also. However, we need to speed that up, and our effort was to make sure that that the flooding problem we can mitigate, and also what to do so that in long term the impact is less. Officials from NESAC were also there, and decisions were taken in various categories, like for example widening the drains that are there, and to NHAI cleaning of the drains, and at the same time any kind of constructions required, whether check dams or other places. And we focused on the hotspots where flooding has been recurring, and we have also issued various orders. And I would also urge the various citizens to please make sure that the garbage is not thrown into the drains, because many cases we have seen that it ends up clogging the drains, and in the end the water does not get the proper outlet and it leads to flooding. So I would request cooperation from the citizens also, so that we are able to solve this problem in the short term as well as in the long term.
MeghalayaPost.news